Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got KB Shimmer Radiant Orchid, Look High and Hollow, and Right as Rain. This was the mani that I wore to Polish and Beauty Expo 2021 in Nashville. I've started off with Bio Base by IMK Nails, and that's the sticky one. And here is KB Shimmer Radiant Orchid, and it's going to be my base color today. So I'm going in with the, I'm only going to do one coat of this. Look how opaque that is. I'm doing some other stuff to it too, so let's just hang on and we'll see what happens with this one. And you might notice as we go through this video that I actually have the same manicure on both hands. That never happens. Not in Moon Baby's world. She's always got different stuff on both hands. So I'm doing a little bit of cleanup as I go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down before the next step. I'm going to get this all nice and covered. I will have more videos coming up very soon on the Polish Expo, my haulage, talkage, all of it. And there is that one all on its own. Now I'm going to use KB Shimmer's Look High and Hollow to go over the top of all of them. It's just such a pretty combination. I mean, you could stop at any level of this manicure and it's so pretty. This is a manicure I did before I did YouTube videos. I had to revisit it. So I am going to use the American Classics Jealous to kind of smooth out the glitter layer before we head on into the rest of the manicure. I use Jealous a whole lot for anything that needs smoothing out that would eat top coat. And if you've ever painted your nails and it looked really great and then the next day you notice that the top coat kind of sunk and the stickery glitters are sticking up, that's part of it. So I'm going to top it again with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat and get it to dry down because the Jealous is not a fast dry. It's just a regular dry, and I don't have time for all of that. So there we go. I'm going to cap that edge again. I do a lot of capping in this one because I want this manicure to last. Next we have Right as Rain, also by KB Shimmer. You see a theme? I've got my liquid latex out. This is what I got off of Amazon in the tub and decanted into a empty nail polish bottle, so that I could brush it on nice and neat like this. I used all KB Shimmer polishes for this because the Expo was pretty much headed up by Christy, that's one of the KB Shimmer people, you know. Or the KB Shimmer people. Okay, so now we're hopping right on in with the Right as Rain. And I didn't put the picture of that bottle up. But I've got a dampened makeup wedge that I've cut down. And I'm only applying the color to part of it. Now you can add clear to the bottom if you want to. Like if you're really working on a gradient. But I'm just kind of tapping in a little bit of color near the top. Or about halfway up to the top. And I'm going to do that to each nail. I don't know why I didn't show the bottle shot of Right as Rain. I'm losing my mind. And I skipped that pointer nail just because I had to redo something on it. I had to touch it up. I was just giving it a minute more to dry before I started this. So here we go. We got to load that sponge up again. But like I said, this was a manicure that I had actually done. I'd copied somebody off of YouTube or some blog or something way, way back in the day. And I couldn't wait to revisit this manicure. I knew this is what I was wearing to Nashville. I knew it. I mean, in my heart and everything. And I will tell you that I ended up, after I wore it for a day and let it really dry, and knowing that I was going to be out of town, I put a layer of gel top coat over it and cured it, capping the free edges really well. And I want y'all to know this is still on my nails. I have been wearing this for like 8 days. I am going to pop in with a piece of tape to help me get that latex off. It works really well. This latex in particular has like wanted to just do the snap break thing too much. So I've started just using tape as much as I can to help get it off without ruining my manicure. So here we go. We're going to hop in with our cleanup brush and do a little bit of tidying up. Get some cleanage going on here. And I did get lots of compliments from those that looked at my nails at the expo, and it was just so much fun. I just wanted to run around and look at everybody's hands. Let me see your nails. Let me see your nails. And I was checking out as much nailage as I could, because that's inspiration for me. So there we go. I think we got our cleanup done. And now I'm going to top it all with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And by the way, using that gel top coat worked miracles and magic. And I didn't have any tip wear or anything from this. I mean, literally 8 days in. And the only problem is the grow out, believe it or not. I've got like a line. Other than that, it looks beautiful. So here is my swatch photo of my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.